Speedywash Australia is a family-owned business and has a proud history delivering brand presentation solutions Australia-wide with more than 400 units installed. It is the product's reputation for reliability and performance which has made the Speedywash range the wash system of choice in essential industries including road freight, bus and coach, rail and tram, and the resource sector. The Speedywash 101 ST Classic is the genesis of the Speedywash range and is the leader in its class. Like all models in the Speedywash range, the 101 ST is designed for the harsh wash bay environment with a full stainless steel structural frame carrying a lifetime warranty from corrosion. Supplied in both 240-volt single-phase and 415-volt three-phase, the 101 ST is an electric-powered wash system with dual-direction wash operation to ensure the very best result. The exclusive Speedywash electric brush-only lean mechanism is just another feature which makes the 101 ST stand out from its competitors. With the touch of a button, the brush pivots from the structural base to lean the brush 10 degrees to effectively wash inclined windows without compromising stability, ensuring safety in design and safety in operation. The 101 is versatile and can be optioned to include an independent detergent application system and a slimline frame to compensate for narrow wash bays. The Speedywash 626LX is an absolute powerhouse in semi-automated wash management. The 626LX range carries with it the brush lean technology and stainless steel frame with lifetime guarantee against rust. The 626LX has evolved into a completely untethered wash system with an onboard 500-litre water tank with a wash capacity of up to 7 vehicles per tank. A 50-litre detergent tank and a powerful 24-volt battery power system which can wash up to 40 vehicles before requiring recharge make this unit a fully autonomous wash machine. Dual-directional feather touch controls allows the operator to easily guide the 626LX around the vehicle in less than 6 minutes. The powerful center drive system with spring suspension allows the operator to easily and effortlessly wash the vehicle in one pass with the application of detergent, brush power wash and rinse for a perfect result every time. The 626LX also comes in diesel and petrol variants for customers where fleet size demands unlimited daily washing. The Speedywash Pony BLX is the top of the range in the Speedywash line and is the very best seller in the Australian marketplace. The Pony BLX is everything that the Speedywash 626LX is, with the added feature of an insulated comfort cabin providing a safe and protected wash operator environment. The Pony cabin allows washing unimpeded by weather, delivering productivity and operator comfort never before seen in the heavy vehicle wash sector. The comfort cabin allows for full spectrum and ergonomic control of the wash operation. Fitted with electromagnetic braking, safety beacon, seatbelt safety switch, seat safety switch and fall protection, the Speedywash Pony is the very best in operation and safety technology, making the Pony the pinnacle in wash technology. This model is available in 24-volt, 48-volt and diesel hybrid, so it is comparable with any fully automated wash system available on the market for a faster return on investment. The Speedywash line is the longest-serving single brush wash product in Australia and pioneered the evolution of low-cost, high-productivity washing in an industry heavily reliant on reliability and productivity. Speedywash Australia is a national operation providing unparalleled service, spare parts and support which will minimise downtime and put you in control of your fleet wash management needs. Speedywash Australia take great pride in delivering wash assets to a vast and impressive customer base. Our repeat and multiple unit business with some of Australia's leading operators is assurance that our product, service and solution is sound. The team at Speedywash look forward to providing your business with the wash technology that will ensure your fleet is presenting a clean image all year round.